This is a Sur Ron X. It's an electric dirt bike that goes 50 miles an hour, and we are giving one away. We have all this merch in the Grind Hard store, and every $5 spent gets you an entry to win this guy. And on top of the bike, we're giving away every aftermarket part from Dirty Bike Industries. So check out the store, support our channel, and enter to win today.
There's an easy line and a hard line. Which one you want to take?
Hard.
Okay.
The hard line, apparently. Got a lot of branches and tree roots. Ah! What? This feels too good. But Trey races this thing, and he does pretty well against gas bikes, is my understanding. I'll have to ask him about that later. Gotta get used to that low gear. The handlebars make a huge difference. See if I can keep up with that on the 250. Nope, that's a no. He took a little dive, so cut up a little bit. Oh, this thing is just amazing on the big bumps. I may have gone a little bit faster than I should have. Especially since I've never ridden here before. It's like one of those you have traction until you don't kind of days.
That front end's pretty light, isn't it?
Yeah.